What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, welcome back to the channel. Now today I've got a great little product for you iPhone owners out there. So maybe you've gone out and purchased one of the latest iPhones, which are very nice indeed, but you may have been slightly disappointed when you lifted the lid on the box, only to find out that Apple no longer include a charger. Or maybe you've already got a charger and it just isn't up to the job when it comes to those charging speeds. Well, hopefully inside this box from Anker, I may have the solution for you. Now, what is written on the box is a bit of an indication of what we can expect with this product. So, new iPhone fast charging essentials. Anker, America's #1 fast charging brand. Sick of slow charging? Get ready for mind-blowing speed. Right, let's start off by taking a look at the start of the show and its specs. So, 3 times faster than your old charger. Charging for 30 minutes with the Anker Nano will get you 53%. And charging with the original 5-watt charger from Apple, only 17% in the same amount of time. So quite a significant difference. Let's move on and take a look at the charger itself then. And wow, that is tiny, a lot smaller than I imagined, to be fair. I'd say that's about the same size as the original 5-watt charger from Apple. It's pretty amazing when you consider it's got all that extra grunt in it and the same sort of form factor. So not a lot to look at really. At the bottom there we've got our USB Type-C connection, and this being a UK plug, we have got 3 pins on it. Now, if you like what you see and you like the specs that I've read out to you, then I've got some good news, because I'll be leaving a link in the description that will get you 10% off one of these chargers. So please go and check out that link below. So, charge everything faster. And this is for the Anker power port and power line cable. Fast charging for even more devices. So iPad, AirPods, MacBook Air and Apple Watch. And there is the charger itself. Let's take off the wrapper. He says, yep, there we go. And yeah, looks very nice indeed in the white there. As you can see, all the accessories are in white. And got 2 USB Type-C inputs just there. Now you may be wondering, what sort of power is that charger good for? Well, I'm pleased to say it is a 60-watt charger, so it's going to have plenty of grunt. Now you also may be wondering, well, how am I going to plug that into a UK socket? Well, easy enough. Just pull this piece off the bottom, and then you plug in your UK 3-pin plug. Simple as that. Moving on to some cables then, and wow, that has got some weight to it. That is really nice. Nice braided cable. Now, if one thing I think we could all agree on when it comes to cables and Apple is that they just don't last 5 minutes. And yeah, I think braided cables are definitely the way forward. Those Apple ones, they always seem to just wear out on these joins there, and you'd be lucky if you get 6 months out of one. So, you know, maybe it's worth upgrading to one of these Anker ones. So we've got our lightning connector on that end. Looks very nice with the Anker logo on there. Nice and shiny metal. And same on that end with the USB Type-C. Finally, we've got another cable just in here. Let's get this one out. Now, this is more like your typical sort of Apple cable, but a lot thicker, a hell of a lot thicker. You can feel that that is substantially better quality. And this one is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Yeah, it's just just feels a lot better. I don't know what it is with Apple. You pay a lot for their products, but their cables are just really, really naff. So again, another cable worth considering if you are looking to replace that Apple one. Well, there you go then, guys. Now, like I said before, I'll be leaving a link in the description where you can go and pick up one of these chargers, and also a discount code where you can get an extra 10% off. Now, if you've enjoyed this video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please consider subscribing for more of the same in the future. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.